Let's find us a fan brush and mix up a big old gob of color. Let me clean off the spot to work in here. Let's take, I want to use phthalo green today. Phthalo green, Prussian blue, black, a lot of color.